Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we're going to be doing some Easter crafts, so let's get started. So today I have a super easy bunny mask kit. It was $3. There's 18 masks in here. It makes 18. For Easter, and this is Easter weekend, so if you're going to have a party at Easter, or if you have a few kids, or your nieces and nephews and all of them, you would get this. This is so cute and so easy, and the kids can do it themselves if they want. So it has the stickers for the masks. Here are the sunglasses, the flowers. Here are the bunny ears and the hat. So we have three of those packages. There is bows and glasses. And I'm going to assume these are more for the ears again. So we have 3 of those. 1, 2, oh, maybe 2. There is bows, hats, different hats. And there's 3 of these. Maybe there's 1 attached to. So 3 of those. Con. 3 purple hats, 3 of these glasses, and then these ones, and there is 3, so 3 of each pattern. So what we're going to do is we're just going to do the mask quickly. It shouldn't take too long. They do give you the elastic for the mask. So what we'll do is we'll take one mask, and we have one that shows you how to start it. And on the back it shows you, it gives you 18 glasses. Okay, so these ones are for their eyes, their eyelashes, and the other ones were not for the bunny ears, they are for the eyebrows. And then the ears, the bows, they give you 18 ears, 18 bows, they give you 18 different hats, and then the 18 masks. So let's start. So the first one is we're going to put this one on the main page together. So we got the glasses. We're just going to peel the glasses off. Be careful not to rip it. There are the glasses. And we're just going to place the glasses down. Let's see how hard this is going to be to put them on. There we go. So there are the glasses on. We're going to look for the ears. So the ear are here, and so is the hat. So here are the ears. So we're just going to pull off an ear and put an ear on. One ear. They are so cute. 2 ears. Just like that. You're going to put the hat on, and you can just decorate it any way you want. We're going to put the hat on, and we're going to put the hat a little bit sideways. Just like that. So there's the hat. They put a flower on the hat. So let's do that. And they put the flower right here. So there's the flower. It is a little sticky, but that's okay. It's just a temporary mask. And that's about all that's on this mask. So let's try to do a different one. So this is how the mask looks. It's really, really cute. And that was the one here on the picture. Now on the back it doesn't show you any more pictures, so you can just do it any way you want. So this one, I'm just going to move those off to the side for a second. We're going to get a pair of glasses. There's the glasses. And again, just place them down. You don't have to be fussy. There we go. The glasses are on. We're going to put some ears. So let's pick the polka dot ones. One. Oops. Two. Let's pick a new bow. Let's pick a bow. We'll put a bow right over here. So there's the bow. And there's a hat somewhere, a different hat. Let's pick this hat. So there's this hat right here. So we're going to put this hat on. There's the hat. And then there's some eyelashes. So let's put a couple eyelashes on. We'll put one on this side right here. And we'll put one on the other side. And she's super cute with her little bow. Now, we can always just peel the bow back off. Let's see. Yep, the bow can come right back off. If you want to move it, we can move the eyelash back off. And we can put the bow right on the hat. Okay, so we can just stick the bow right here on the hat. And now she has a hat on her bow and a bow on her hat, and then we can just put the eyelash right back on there. So there, and she looks super cute. And all you would do is just pop out, there's these cute little circles, you just pop them out. I have my pokey tool right here, so you just poke them out, and then you put on the elastic, and then they can just wear them. So cute. So you could do them any way you want. I have one more, so let's just do another eyelashes. I'm not going to do all 18. Now you can put this eyelashes at the bottom here, just off to the side. There's one. And they can choose to do it any way they want. How easy, how cute, how simple. Put one here off to the side, just like that. And then we have this hat. So we can put this hat on. Oops, let's put his ears on first. Let's do the ears. We have these ears that look like the Easter egg ears. So let's do these. One down. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye everyone.